Welcome guys to Global Guru in Learning Solutions. We are here. Today's topic is Introduction of Currency Trading Market Part 2. We are discuss here the RBI allowed exchanges to offer cross currency futures contract and exchange traded currency options in a pair of Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY with intermediate effect. This will be enable direct hedging of foreign currency exposure in foreign currencies and facilitate execution of cross currency strategies by market participants. It said the RBI has also allowed introduction of exchange traded currency options contracts in Euro INR, GBP INR and JPY INR pairs. Currently, features Currently, futures trading in USD INR, Euro INR, GBP INR, and JPY INR, besides option trading in USD INR, is allowed only for resident Indians and eligible NRIs. Understand? So now that we understand that the trading in only forex derivatives is permitted by the Indian law, let us get an overview about the rules and procedure that govern this trade in India. The framework for trading in derivatives has been set up by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, and SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, while the legal guidelines provided by the FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, provided the legal guidelines for the trading currency derivatives on the recognized exchanges has been permitted by RBI and SEBI since 2008. Currently, you can trade in three stock exchanges in India. These are the National Stock Exchange (NSE), MCX SX, and the United Stocks Exchange (USE). So initially, only futures for the INR and dollar pair, INR versus dollar pair, were allowed. Later, more pairs were introduced. At present, you can trade in derivatives of dollars, Great Britain pound, euros, and Japanese yen. You can also trade in dollars and interest rate futures on 10YGS7 and 91DT bill. So here currency options are also available with underlying as a US dollar and Indian rupees, that is USD INR spot rate. Derivatives are traded on the margin. You are required to deposit an initial margin with the exchange through your financial intermediary. Contracts are always settled in a cash and Indian rupees. Settlement is guaranteed by the exchange. The futures have a cycle range from 1 month to 12 months. For options, it is 3 months, and the lot size for the futures is 1000 per unit, except for the JPY INR, Japanese yen versus INR pair, where the lot size is the 1 lakh units. What RBI allows and is generally understood as forex trading in India is trading in currency derivatives. As per RBI rules, a person resident in India may enter into currency futures or currency options on the stock exchange recognized under Section 4 of the Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956 to hedge an exposure to risks or otherwise subject to such terms and conditions as may be set forth in the direction issued by the RBI from time to time. Thank you very much. We are here introduce about the financial market participant in next session. So thank you. If you like this video, then press the like icon, and if you don't like subscribe this channel, then first subscribe our channel Global Guru e-learning solutions. Thank you very much.